Hi, in this video, we are going to talk about another debugging technique, that is breakpoint. Whenever you hit the breakpoint option while the VI is running, the VI will pause at the moment and it will highlight where the current execution is being performed. The VI will be paused and your code boundary will appear to be red in color. Now, your code has been paused, so you can take multiple actions at that moment to debug your code further. The first thing that you can do is you can do the single stepping that we have covered in the last video. We can probe wires to check the intermediate values. You can change values of the front panel because our vi is paused, so you can do anything on the front panel. And then while your debugging is done, then you can hit again the pause button to resume the code, and your vi will run as smoothly as before.